Hi, I'm Barb, and I want to talk to you about the Baby Lock Destiny today because it does something that I really love. It has videos on it. Come on in here. Let me show you what it's got. I'm going to go up to my question and down here. Now that says video. Do you think I'm going to play a movie on this? Nah, I'm not going to play a movie, but look at what I can do. Even though there's a movie screen right there. I love that. This is going to tell me all the basic operations of the machine with a video. So maybe pictures aren't good enough and you really want to be able to see it happen. Let's go to the sensor pen right there. If I want to see a video on any of that, it's going to show me. It takes a little minute to boot it up. It's going to show me where to put this thing right here. Is telling me where to put it. So you don't have to have a question anymore. You can know exactly what to do with pictures, moving pictures. Isn't that cool? I love that. I just think that's cool. And look at all the other things you can learn about basic operations. You can learn how to wind your bobbin, how to put a foot on, how to thread your needle. All those functions are right there for you to see in a video form.